Hello, good morning to everyone, and happy Eid Mubarak to all Muslims all over the world. And again, in Dubai, still holiday, so my daughter still doesn't have a school. I think probably by tomorrow or Wednesday. So I have to check their school calendar. I have forgotten. Anyway, today morning is just soaring hot again in Dubai since it is summer. So I decided to make a mango lassi. So this is an Indian drinks, and this is really perfect for the summer. So we're gonna use yogurt. This is a plain yogurt. I'm using low fat. You can use you can also use the full cream, but I've chosen the low fat. We don't need full cream because we're already on diet. And aside from that, I have here chopped mango, cut into cubes. So this is one mango, medium size, ripe one. And then we'll be needing also an ice cube and a sugar and a cardamom powder. This is a cardamom powder. So this one is optional. If you don't have this, then just leave it. I don't know if in Philippines it's available, but if it doesn't, then it's okay. Just leave it. So now what we'll do, we just have to put all these ingredients in the grinder, grind it. This is like similar of milkshake, but instead of using milk, I'm using yogurt. So let's get started. In here we have to put our mango. We put it in, and then we put also as well the ice cubes. I have around 6 ice cubes, but if you want, you can add more. That is no problem. For now, I am putting the 4 teaspoons of sugar. Later on, I will adjust, but for now, I just put 4 teaspoons. And a yogurt. Yogurt also, for now, I'm gonna put 3 heap tablespoons of yogurt. And we can just adjust later on. That's enough. And then just grind this. And also, sorry, I forgot, we have to put this one, cardamom, just 1/4 teaspoon of it. Not too much, just 1/4. This is really to give a nice flavor. And then just grind it. And now, let's grind this all together. Now this is finished. So let's taste. Yeah, this is perfect for us. But it's sugar is depending on you if you want a sweet lassi. So now you put it here in the mug. And I have here crushed, dried, it's a peanuts, or you can also use any dried fruits you have. Just crush it and put it on the top. I'm putting just a 1 teaspoon of cashew nuts. So here you go, our lassi is ready. Very nice. You can also have this just for breakfast. This is kind of mango yogurt smoothie. very healthy. So, for this full recipe, please check in the description box. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.